Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update.
According to Monster.com's employment index, online recruitment activity in India grew by 17% year on year. This trend has seen a huge spike since many companies are shifting to virtual hiring platforms during the COVID-19 time. Hence, creating and maintaining a strong online profile is important now more than ever. But how do you build a strong digital profile? Here are the 5 ways to optimize your digital footprint and be job ready. Before you jump into the tips and tricks, here's a crazy story of Philip Dubo. This guy's dream job was Amazon, the world's biggest online store. In order to get noticed by recruiters of Amazon, he decided to make an amazing digital profile. Philip recreated a whole Amazon page as a resume. The web page, resume, illustrates his skills as the product summary, and of course, product details are his other attributes. Did this stunt help him get a job at Amazon? No, but it did help him get hired by Birchbox, a famous online cosmetics sampling company. While many of us may not be able to pull up something like this, there are a few things we can do to improve our current digital profile or footprint. First thing first, fill each and every detail in your social profiles. Many of you already have a profile on LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter. Each of these social networks provide you an opportunity to show off your personality and achievements. Both, by the way, are important for recruiters. Therefore, it is really important to make your profile as potent as possible on these sites. On Facebook, be sure to fill your About section. Make sure to mention what you like to do, who you are, and other fun facts about yourself like your favorite movie, quotes, or books. On Twitter, write a short and sweet bio and use the 160 characters to express yourself. Even though Twitter has a character limit, it does have an option of adding live links in your bio. LinkedIn offers the most in-depth profile for professionals. So, fill everything. Don't forget to include awards, volunteer work, academic accomplishments, interests, skills, and of course, work experience. Second way is adding social media links under your email signatures. Email is the most formal communication that we send and receive every day. It is also something that we use extensively when we are looking for a job. Therefore, your email signature can be a powerful tool for promoting your digital profiles. In your sign-off, provide a link to each of your social media networks. Third thing to do, add work samples. To improve professional credibility, it's not enough to just list your job duties on your social media platforms. Demonstrate your capabilities and achievements by also including links to work samples. LinkedIn has the option to upload media such as documents, photos, links, videos, along with a job description that you list in your profile. Just like your paper portfolio, only include links to your most impressive work. Next up, keep engaging with your visitors. Building a digital profile is one thing, but you need to engage and interact with people who are visiting your website too. You can do that by regularly posting and publishing information and interacting with people in the comment section. This will not only give out an influencer kind of vibe, but also give your visitors, who are often recruiters, a peek into your thought process. If you want to come across as someone who knows what he or she is saying, then keep your post concise, articulated, and accurate. The last thing you can do is build your network. The most important yet the most neglected part of building a digital profile is networking. Everything starting from job search to finding a lead in business can be made easy if you build connections in the right places. In case you're trying to find a job in the current time, then your connections may come as a great help to you. However, no matter the desperation, don't start your conversation with your network by straight away asking for a job. Keith Ferrazzi, writer of 2 best-selling books, Never Eat Alone and Who's Got Your Back, says, the currency of real networking is not greed but generosity. Key to any relationship, especially a professional one, is giving before taking anything. Start your conversation by asking your connection about how they, their family, and their business is doing in the current times. Ask if they need help somewhere. Help them. People remember those who help them in the time of need. So they are bound to reciprocate generosity when the time is right. But don't expect it. We hope you liked our list of 5 ways to optimize your digital footprint and become job ready. Do you think we should add more to the list? What should we add? Tell us in the comment section below.
Hi guys, Inside IM has come up with an exciting new one-on-one mentorship product where you get to interact with superstar managers from different businesses, different functions. You can ask them everything around your career, your education, your future success. If you are interested, the link is in the description below. Thanks.